Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you a quick video here. Now, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I do want to go over a few things with you. And then at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here, any wording that you use, photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I did input your website into this tool that we use here called Ahrefs. What this is able to tell me the analytics of your website. So the first thing that we see here is the trust and the strength that you have with Google. Now, this is on a scale of 100. Now, as you get these raised up, you want to make sure you try to keep them as even as possible. And then, as I was talking about keywords earlier, you are indexing for 10 different keywords right now. Now, we are able to see what keywords you have here, and then the idea is also to be able to look at competitors, to be able to see what their keywords are, so we can see what we could utilize with you as well. Now, we have one backlink from one referring domain. What a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement for your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. But not all of these backlinks are the same. They're definitely not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, and that will bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to another website here in just a moment. So the next thing I did was I researched travel agencies in Houston. I Googled your area code, so this is where you came up. So the idea is to be able to get your business, especially in your area, on this map pack. We want you to be able to rank organically with Google and be able to get you on that front page as well. Now, you want to make sure on your Google business profile that they give you an About Us section. Now, there's 750 words on that About Us section. You want to utilize each and every one of those words, and you want to be able to place keywords throughout that as well. And you also want to make sure that you're keeping up with your reviews and any message you get. You got to be very responsive. Then also, when it comes to social media, you want to make sure you're posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's going to all help with your relevance. Now, the next thing you want to go over is citations. Now, that's where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, things like that. Being able to give out your information to as many people as possible is going to increase your relevance, and that helps with your website as well. So, like I said earlier, I did find this person here. This is a different travel agency, and I looked them up. They got a little bit of, quite a bit of content here on the front page. But I did put their analytics in here as well. Now you can see that they have 359 backlinks from 48 referring domains and 422 keywords. So what we're able to do is searching your competitors and being able to see what their backlinks are, what their keywords are, what we could take and utilize for you. But the idea is to not only take what they are using and then be able to try to get you more, especially when that comes to backlinks. This way it's going to help that strengthen that trust that it's over here when it comes to Google and to be able to get your business more relevant. So once again, thank you for letting me take the time to be able to make this video for you. I really appreciate it. I am going to send this over to you, and it's also going to add my phone number and my email on there as well. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out however you want, call, text, email. And I appreciate your time. And once again, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.